Today we discuss about the Chaucer. To know about the life, parentage, contribution of Chaucer, it is too much necessary to know about the age to which Chaucer was belonged. Chaucer belonged to the 14th century. The age between the 1340 to 1400 is roughly known as the 14th century, in which the Chaucer has given their contribution. It was an age of social, political, and the moral unrest. In that age, Chaucer has given too much contribution in the field of the poetry, and he is called the morning star of modern poetry. It was the understanding power of the Chaucer and his sympathetic quality which enabled him to present the essence of the age. So, during the time of the Chaucer, the fermentation was pervaded in the society, in the field of the political, social, religious, even in the literary activities also, and the feudalism was in the decline, and in place of that democracy take the place, and the Chaucer is called a bridge between the modern and the middle. He has given too much contribution in the field of the poetry and other literary work. And after that, during the time of the age of Chaucer, the feeling of nationalism aroused into the heart of the people of England, because in the history of Britain, England became the laurel of the different battlefield. We can take the example of the Battle of the Crecy, which was fought between the France and the England. French army led by the Philip VI and the English army led by the Edward III, King of England. Finally, the England became the victorious, and after that, the war was poetiers also fought during the time of the Chaucer, and the war which was with the name of the Agincourt also fought during the time of the Chaucer. It was 100 years war. With after that, the England became the victorious. So the feeling of the national aroused into the heart of the people of that time. In the time of the Chaucer, there were two events which befall and has a great effect on England. First was the Black Death, which occurred during the times of the 1348, and half of the generation of England swept up due to the 2-year long plague. By this, the situation and the circumstances of the England became too much poor, and after that, the another event which befell during the time of the Chaucer was the revolution or the revolt of the farmer or peasant, which was a great event, and there were many reasons responsible for that, but main of them were the Black Death. So the situation of the England became too much poor by the both events. And after that, the situation of the town and the village also during the time of the Chaucer, the villagers were too much hard worker and they were monotonous, and they were exploited by the high aristocratic and the rich persons. And the main profession of the villagers during the time of the Chaucer was the farming and the cattle rearing. And the situation of the town during the time of the Chaucer was too much poor. The streets were too much narrow and the circular, and they were dirty. There were the heap of the garbage here and there, and the room were uncleaned, dark, but outsidely they were decorated well. The situation of women during the time of the Chaucer was very poor. They were exploited by the men's society. Most of them were uneducated, and child marriage was pervaded in the society, and women has no right just like a man. So the situation of women thought inferior from the men. The situation was very poor during the time of the Chaucer's age of women. Then another things which is present in the forms of the wearing, features of the wearing of their person were the long plain gown, and the corruption of the church was pervaded during the time of the Chaucer. Some historians has expressed about that the clergymen were blind, dark, and clouded person. Even the authority which was prescribed by the Pope was the principle, the rules. Even the king has no dare to oppose that. So Some people, just like a Martin Luther, arose against it. He expressed in his thesis that all the principal doctrine and the rule which is prescribed by the Pope is totally false. And so the Calvin in France, Junglin in Switzerland, and the John Knox in Scotland had joined with the Martin Luther. There arose a religious movement which is an European religious movement which is known as a Reformation during the time of the 1517. So the translation of Bible began, and the foundation which was prescribed by different people was now broken now, and the poets and the writers feel too much free for express their thinking and the feelings also. So the situation and the corruption of church was pervaded during the time of the Chaucer, and there were the decline of the chivalrous quality, and the knights were busy in sloth and the dullness, and they were not pay any attention toward any work, and the situation of the and the development of the industrial and the commercial was began to increase, and which is expressed by the Chaucer in his work that the heavens is the seaman and the shipman in his own work. And it was an age of the age of Chaucer was the age of spring and winter. It was an age of older change. So it was a mingle of the both the modern and the middle. The age of Chaucer, during that time, the language which was pervaded in the society was the French. French language was the language of high aristocratic family, and during the time of the 1363, English language became the language of the parliament. So it became the language of the high and the aristocratic family. And after that, during the time of the Chaucer, the invention and the foundation of the Oxford and the Cambridge also play an important role for the development of the literary production. The Oxford, which the Cambridge University, which was found during the time of the 1167, and after that during the time of the 1214, the councillor was elected, and the time during the time of the 1213, the Oxford was invented and recognized by the king, by the church during the time of the 1233. And Oxford is the birthplace of Reformation and the Renaissance. So the time of the Chaucer was the unrest, but in spite of that, there were too much development taking the place in that time. And the poetical forms, the ballad, allegory, and the narrative and descriptive poetic forms come in the fields of the poetry. And there were many poets who has given their contribution and was the contemporary of the Chaucers. We can take the name of the Wycliffe. He is known as the morning star of Reformation, and the Langland, who has given the Piers Plowman. By that he has given inspiration for the devotion of hard work and the equality of the man and the social dissatisfaction also. And the another poets, just like Manuel also present himself as a traveler and the situation of the different country and the society. These were the poets who has given their contribution. After that, the Chaucer has given their work, the famous work which he has given during the time of the 1387, the Canterbury Tales, which bring too much fame and publicity into the life of the Chaucer. These were the some events which befall during the time of the Chaucer and the situation of the society during the time of the Chaucer, which he has depicted in his poetry. Now I am going to tell you about the birth, parentage, and the contribution of the Chaucer. Chaucer was born during the time of the 1340. The available material doesn't give any clue about the reality of the birthplace, parentage, and the time of the Chaucer's birth and the death. But according to some great scholar of English, there has been somewhere during the time of the 1314 he has taken the born in London, Thames Street, father name was John Chaucer. He was a liquid dealer, and the mother name was Agnes. She was the daughter of Compton, and his wife's name was Philippa. To whom he has married during the time of the 1369. She has granted a high pension. After that, Chaucer also got the pension. In this way, the father, just like a businessman and the dealer of the liquor, does not pay any literary attainment to the credit of the Chaucers, and in this way the other things which we fall into the life of the Chaucer is that the father, as a businessman, developed distinction with the Edward III king and had got opportunity for the journey to take participation in the journey of the different places. They have gone to the Clogan. With him, the Chaucer also gone, and there he come to contact with different civilization, culture, and the people of different state and the society. In this way, the everything which we fall into the life of the Chaucer has a great effect for developing his poetic genius. And the family of Chaucer, John Chaucer, living near the Thames Street, and the atmosphere which was full of the prosperity has a great effect for the developing the poetic genius of the Chaucer. During the time of 17-year-old, when he was at tender years, he was taken into the service of the King of Clarence, and after some times, a couple of years, he had joined the army. There he was imprisoned, but after paying some ransom, he was released from the prison. When he released from the prison, the fortune unfolded many opportunity for the Chaucer, and he has come to contact with John of Gaunt, who has placed a very help for the developing the genius of Chaucer as a poet. The consequently, Chaucer married with the John of Gaunt's third wife, sister, and after that he was taken into the service of the King of the British, and he has take participation in journey of different continents as a member of diplomatic mission, and he has taken the journey of France, Germany, and Italy, which has a great effect on him. When he has gone to Italy, he has come to contact with Dante, a world classic writer of divine comedy. By the Dante, he was influenced too much, and after that he has come to contact with the Petrarch and the Boccaccio, the great Italian man of literature, and after that he has gone and got the high position in the England and elected as a custom of councillor, and after that he became the most prosperous person of London. But the real benefactor of Chaucer, Edward III, became dead, and after that the successor of the Edward III with the name of the Charles II became too much ignorant toward the Chaucer, and after that he does not recognize the reality of the Chaucer, and after that the Henry IV come to the throne, and he was interred and elected as a member of parliament. After that he has assigned the job of a clerk, carrying the responsibility of the maintenance of the Westminster Palace and the historical building also. After that he has devoted himself totally for the composing the poetry and the literary work. It is known that at the last time of his own life, he has passed in utter poverty and died in clutching in debt. It was something about the Chaucers, and he died during the time of the 1400 near the Westminster. It was the some things which is expressed about the Chaucers, and everything which is unknown about him buried with him of security. The contribution which he has given in the field of the poetry and literary work is that he has taken a journey to France. By that, he was too much influenced by the French literature, and after that, he had decided to translate them in English language and translate them one by one, but the all translation doesn't give him any fame and publicity. All was lost in obscurity. But the translation which he has made has a great and everlasting effect on his heart and mind. And he himself feels to begin just like a lover of a velvet who has present uh, an ideal clue for the honor and the harmony of the fair sex. And after that, he has given the great work during the time of the 1387 with the name of the Canterbury Tales, which bring too much fame and publicity in his life. And in that, he has presented the tales of nuns, the clerk's tale, and the knight's tales. For that, the John of Gaunt, the real benefactor of Chaucer, also helped him too much. And after that, he has given the book of the Duchess, which is in the forms of the elegy, which he has composed in the memory of the wife of his friend. And after the work which he has given during the time of the 19th decade and the 14th century was too much influenced by the Italian literature when he has come to contact with the Dante. And after that, he has given the work which bring him too much fame and the publicity, the Parliament of the Foul, which he after that he has given the Legends of Good Women and the House of the Fame. These were the works which was given by him one by one, and the great work which he has given with the name of the Troilus and Cressida. It was a work which was the best work come out from his pen. It is a long poem of 8,000 lines, present in 5 books in unequal size. And it is a work in which he has presented the faithfulness of the Troilus, who is a lover of good and best nature, and the cruel quality and the kindest quality and the heartless ladies presented the Cressida in his work. And at the last moment, she also got the sympathy by the readers, and the Pandras is another character which is presented in this, which present in a humorous way and entertain to the readers by his humorous quality. In the year 1382, he has given the Parliament of the Foul. Richard II is going to marriage with Anne of Bohemia. For that, he has celebrated the occasion in the forms of the party. The theme of the poem is how the bride assemble for choosing their mates. In this way, and after that, he has given the next work with the name of the House of the Fame, which came during the time of the 1384. It is a work which is decided by the Chaucer to present in 3 parts, but while writing the third part, he was dissatisfied by that, because he was thinking himself inferior to the Dante. And after that, he decided to lift that. It is a work which remained unfinished by the Chaucer. And after that, he has given the Legends of Good Women, which come during the time of the 1384, in which he has presented the various variety of the women from the history, and in it he has presented the story of the Cleopatra of the Egypt and the Dido of Carthage, also in a high lyrical power. These were the work which was presented by the Chaucer for the development of the poetry. And after that, he is called the morning star of modern poetry. According to Tennyson, he found the poetry as a brick and present it in the forms of the marble. And he also expressed that there is got plenty of character in his work for the presentation of the different character during the time of his own age. And The Arnold also expressed about the Chaucer that the real poetry of English born with Chaucer, and the other things he has spent the reality of the time. And the great poet, the Pollard, expressed about him that he was the combination or the compound of the 20% Walter Scott, 30% Goldsmith, and the 50% Henry Fielding. So he has given too much contribution in the field of the poetry during the time of the middle and the modern.